Ooh, it smells nice as soon as you walk in.
After your meeting with the judges earlier in the week, they were very interested to see which of the ideas you actually went with.
We sort of talked about a few iterations, whether there'd be a study here or a library, and this is spectacular. I love this detail. I mean, this is one cabinet with a little filler panel and an end panel. It makes it look far more expensive than it really would be, and I'm a giant, big fan of this.
We call him Mr. Joinery, old Dazza.
It's
Beautiful.
so unusual, and it's going to be Spence's signature of his detailing.
Nice.
Mr. Whittaker also approves.
And it's a good thing that this is here because the actual bedroom part is feeling a little claustrophobic to me.
The judges recalled your meeting where you discussed the placement of the bed and the distance from the wall. Do you remember that?
Yep.
We spoke to Kerrie and Spence about how changing this wall pushed everything this way, and then they spoke to us about putting in a bed head, and we said, probably wouldn't do that. Maybe apply a wallpaper or a fabric wall or something so that you don't add more space with the bed head, pushing it further towards this wall.
And did you listen to that?
No, we didn't, did we?
No.
This is tight. It's interesting too because this is a king-size bed. If you have a look, right, we've basically got enough space for a bedside, except that the bed head overlaps the switches and also
Can't
the
even see
power
a
point.
switch. That.
Yeah, you've only got half the switch visible.
So you can't get to the light switches.
You
It's easily changed.
You could if we didn't have the bedhead.
Oh, I think that's what I just said.
I've got to say the colour palette I love.
They have clearly picked up things through the conversation that we had. The styling in here is far more sophisticated and adds a perception of luxury.
Neil also found your styling to be nice, but he couldn't get much more excited about it than that.
I mean, I guess what's going through my mind is the fact that we did talk to them at some length about injecting personality into the room. I certainly don't dislike this room.
Yes.
I'm just finding it hard to get excited about it. There's nothing in here that is wowing me.
Into your wardrobe.
Blimey.
It's big.
It's luxurious.
Yes, and I love that full mirror there on that wall.
Storage is excellent.
Look at all the drawers. There's double hang.
It's amazing.
Double-depth shoe racks particularly pleased the storage queen. She loved it. A very good and well-executed room this week, but Neil thinks you need to do something that makes the heart beat a little faster.
Look, I think what they've got to pick up on this journey through the block is a little bit more warmth and spirit and soul.
Yeah, I think we've got all the elements. And I say this to a lot of contestants. Just shake it out. Loosen up, remember where you are. You're in St Kilda.
That's it.
I don't know, it's all subjective, and as long as we get the bones right.
So we're going to go with what we think will work on auction day, for auction day.
That's the name of the game.